Okay, see question number 18. Let two fair six-faced dice A and B are thrown simultaneously. Dice means we know dice. Okay, we will throw. Normally six faces will be there. Okay, that we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there. Even is the event that die A shows up 4. Two dice we are throwing. First die if it shows up 4, that is called event even. Even, not even, even. E2 is another event, die B shows up 2. That means second die, if it shows up 2, that is called event E2. And another event is there, third event, E3. E3 is the event that the sum of the numbers on both dice is odd. Okay, sum of the numbers. See, both dice should odd means what will happen? If die A is dice or die A is odd, then die B should be even. Die B is even, then die B should be odd, like that. One is odd, one is even, then final figure is going to become odd. Then which is not true, that means which is false, like that. Even and E2 are independent, E2 and E3 are independent, even and E3 are independent. Even E2, E3 are independent. Like that they are telling. Which one is false? Let us find the false statement. And before that, see, I want to draw sample space first. You see, sample space S is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, sample space for a die, but like this, 2 dice are there here. Okay? Now see, table also I am writing. So A is there, B is there, event is there. E1, E2, E3. Okay, observe carefully how I am writing this number. 2 dice we are having, 3 events we are having. Okay, like column I am making. And what else? Another one is there. Probability also at one go I will write. Probability. Okay, probability. Okay, now see, what is event even? Die A shows up 4. See here, die A shows up 4. For event 1, die B doesn't matter. What is this probability event 1? Among 6, 1 is appearing, 1 by 6. Okay? Now come back. Event E2. Event E2 is die B shows up 2. Die B shows up 2. This is for event E2. But here they don't bother about event A. If this occurs means 2, from 6 it is happening. That is why this is also 1 by 6. Okay? Now come for E3. Here you see, E3 is sum of numbers on both A plus B should become odd. That means here, if it is odd and if it is even, okay, odd will come. Or else if it is even, then this should become odd. Okay, then only it will happen. See here, odd means even come, even means even come. That means 2 more options are there. Total 4 options, 2 options are there. 1 by 2 probability. Okay, total 1 by 2. Now come back here. This is the table. Now see, first of all, let us see what we can say. Event E2 and event E3 are independent or dependent or like that we are seeing. See, first of all, I will see this one, E1 and E2. Now you tell me here, event E1 and event E2 are dependent. No, why? Because see, if it comes 4, 1 by 6, if it comes 2, 1 by 6, that's all. Both are not dependent, directly we can write. That means see, E1 and E2 are independent. Okay, they don't bother. That is why this is correct, but what is false like they are asking? See, this is not false, not false. Now go for second one. E2 and E3 are independent. Come here. E2 and E3. See here. E2 and E3 are independent means E2 already occurred. 2 has come. Unless 2 comes, event will not occur. 2 has come. 2 has come means here even has come. Even has come. Then what else you are having for coming odd? Odd if comes, then only this is going to become. That means if here even comes means here odd should come. Okay? But what are the possibilities here? Here even or odd will come, but odd is coming means 1 by 2. Okay? That means what I want to say, probability of E2 and E3. Okay? Both should occur. E2 also should occur, E3 also should occur. Okay, what is this probability? This is 1 by 6 already. Okay, into this is 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 12. You tell me 1 by 12, is it correct? Why? Because E2 and E3 also same is going to come. Okay? Same. That is why E2 and E3, this is also independent. That is why this is not false. Correct. That is why put that option. Now go for E1 and E3. This one, third one, E1 and E3. Here also you see E1 event already occurred. That means 1 by 6 has come. 4 has come. Now here even has come. For coming odd, here odd should come. See here chances are even and odd, but odd is coming means 50% probability 1 by 2. That means see here even is already probability of E1 intersection E3 1 by 6 into 1 by 2. That means again 1 by 12. Okay? 1 by 6 into 1 by 12. Again these are independent. That means see E1 and E3 also independent. Correct, but not false. That is why you have closed this option. See you have left with only one option. This is correct answer, or else I am going to show you how it is going to happen. Now come back. Now see how I am writing. See probability of E1 intersection E2 intersection E3. That means see all should occur. Events, all events should occur. Is it possible? Let us see. See E1 4 has come. Yes, possibility for occur. E2 2 has come. Yes, possibility for occur. E3 also occurred. No, E3 is not going to occur. Why? Because you go back. E3 event is odd number should come. When odd number is going to come, at least 1 should come odd. But here 4 is also even, 2 is also even. If both events are having even number, not odd numbers, then here odd number is not going to come. That means E3 is going to become 0, then this is going to become 0. Probability of E1 intersection E2 intersection E3 is 0. But see, what about probability of E1 into probability of E2 into probability of E3? 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 72. Both are not equal. That is why both are not independent. E1 and E2, E3 are independent like that. And this is false. False statement only we require. This is the correct option. Let us go for next question.